Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting part of ChatGPT. So many of you know the basic prompting in ChatGPT. But you can use it as a research paper writing tool also. So in this video, I am going to showcase you how ChatGPT will works out for our research paper writing. So we can say it as a research paper writing GPT, and let us see what are the important option of prompts available in this particular option. And we will give some input and we will check it out how it will generating content or not. So and also we will analyze the content generated by that particular prompts, and we will check it out whether that content can be used in our research paper writing or not. So let us go on to today's video and explore that research paper writing GPT. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and channel paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop, and the important thing is that we are going to show you a live research paper writing incorporating all the AI tools. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video, the AI tool, that is ChatGPT, we are going to discuss is that. So here you can see research paper writing ChatGPT. In just Google, so you can give research paper writing ChatGPT. It leads to a dashboard like this here. So before that, you have to sign in with ChatGPT. So just click on this link, research paper writing GPT. So here it leads to a dashboard like this here. So here you can see that it is an expert in crafting a research paper. So these are the different prompts available in this AI PRM. So here you can see that, could you analyze this data for my paper? How should I structure my research paper? Can you summarize these articles for my introduction? So what are the latest findings in my field? So these are the important research paper writing prompts available in this ChatGPT. So first I am going to explore this one, that is, could you summarize these articles for my introduction? So just to click on this, can you summarize this article for my introduction? So here you can, what I am going to do is I am going to add some references here. So let us see how this prompt will works out and generate a content for our research paper writing. So here you can see that, so I have given some references, random references here. So according to this references, so it is generating a concise summary of the cited articles. So the first one is, this is the first reference. So this will generate the content like this. For individual, I have given 5 references. So for that 5 references, it is generating content like this. So you can use this in your introduction part of your research paper. So what is the flaws associated with this kind of content creation is that, so it will give only a generalized comment, that is generalized review of that particular articles by taking the title itself. So if you want to make it as a detailed review, so you have to give an input related to that particular paper. So starting from abstract to conclusion, so you may take some important points, or you have to summarize that particular paper, and you can give that summarized content in this kind of prompts, so thereby it will generate a better literature review for you. So as far as this kind of literature review is concerned, so you can use it for a simple paper preparation, say it is a conference paper preparation. So you can give an overview about that particular paper alone, so not a detailed literature review. So you can use this kind of research paper writing, that is ChatGPT, GPT, research paper writing GPT, in order to make a small amount of literature review, that is not a detailed literature review, it's just a common literature review for your paper writing. Next important thing is that, how should I structure my research paper? So use this one, how should I structure my research paper? So you can give any topic here. So for example, I am going to give IoT based. So the next topic is that, how should I structure my research paper? So this is the next prompt. So here it will give the detailed that is outline for how your paper has to be. So starting from your title page, concise, informative and reflective of the paper's key findings. Next, authors and affiliations, list of authors and list of institutional affiliations, corresponding author. So next one is abstract. So the summary of the entire paper, include purpose, method, results and significance. So next one is introduction part of the paper. In this introduction part, you have to give the background, problem statement, objective, structure, overview. So next is literature review of the paper, methods used in this paper, results and discussions. So this prompt will give how to organize or structure your research paper. So if you give any title in this particular prompt, it will generate a perfect outline for your research paper. So thereby you can get an idea how to make it that is research paper writing in a proper way. So the next prompt what we are going to see is that what are the latest findings in my field. So in this you can give your latest findings here. So here I am going to give IoT based applications. So like that you can give any input topic. So according to the topic it will generate the content and also what are the recently finded applications in this particular thing will be generated here. So here you can see a detailed explanation of that paper is generated, that is the title is generated, abstract, starting from introduction and all what are the subsections available, what are the key applications associated with the IoT also will be generated here. So and also the important thing is that the recently updated news and databases also will be added upon this particular tool. That is particular prompt. So you can also use this to generate a better content for your academic writing. So it is how generating a detailed analysis and detailed content like a paper. So here you can see the section 3 is deal with section 2 is deal with key IoT applications. Next 3 is technological enablers, and then 4th one is challenges in IoT implementation, then conclusion. So here some of the reference will be generated, so don't use the references from Chatgpt. So always please make sure that the references generated by Chatgpt is not always true. So you can copy and paste in a trusted source of database, so thereby you can give a perfect references which is published in a reputed journals. So you can make sure that don't use these references. So next important thing is that, so could you analyze this data for my paper? So you can give some input data here, so and then you can use this for you to analyze. So I am going to use this one. Could you analyze this data for my paper? Of course, please upload the data. I will analyze for you, offer insights suitable for inclusion in your paper. So if you have any specific questions or hypothesis about this data, please let me know to tailor the analysis accordingly. For example, if you want to add upon some that is details in your paper, so you can get suggestion from this particular prompt. So you can give your paper title and abstract, and then you can give the content what you want to add. So it will analyze that particular content and it will give some suggestions. So what are the part of the content has to be included in this particular paper. So thereby you can get a clearer idea. So in order to avoid general content in your research paper, so you can that is use the content which is mostly related to your research paper. So thereby it will improve the quality of your research paper. So this is how you can analyze your research paper content and generate research paper content using this research paper writing GPT option. Hope you can get an idea about this, how to use it in Chatgpt to generate a better content for your academic writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.